Tiger Woods didn't become Tiger Woods overnight. Michael Jordan didn't become, Michael Jordan overnight. These guys spent hours and hours and days in front of the hoop throwing baskets to make sure that they could perfect. So one of the things that is very frustrating to me as a person who mentors a lot of young people is the need for sort of this instant gratification. And part of that is because of social media, and that we show oftentimes from all these people who are trying to sell courses and things like that, which we're highly critical of. They show like Lamborghini or fancy car, fancy house, or whatever. And a lot of people just want that one thing, and they want that speedy thing as quickly as possible. They want today, want it tomorrow. And it really even confuses people more because they'll be sitting there and they'll see some guy 20s or early 30s or something like that, and they seemingly have all this money and they're doing all these different things, and they're like, I want that, I should be able to do that. And they think that it's perfectly normal for someone to be in their 20s and driving a Lamborghini or driving a Ferrari or taking crazy nice vacations and things like that. Ladies and gentlemen, well, oftentimes when you see people with these things, and they can be young people that are successful, but you're looking at the end result of a lot of things. And this is probably evident to most people, especially when you think about sports and some of the great athletes that are out there. Tiger Woods didn't become Tiger Woods overnight. Michael Jordan didn't become, Michael Jordan overnight. These guys spent hours and hours and days in front of the hoop throwing baskets to make sure that they could perfect, that skill set. Tiger Woods did, thousands and thousands of strokes to perfect his golf swing. That end result is from him being truly exceptional at that one thing. Yet, for some reason, a lot of the young people that are out there don't necessarily do it. Instead, a lot of the young people out there actually just want something immediate. Guys, for you to be successful at something, you need to spend 10, 15, 20 years on one particular task, and maybe only then will you be successful and get the fruits of it.